Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we're talking about a silent health crisis in 2026. It's something that affects anyone who works on a laptop, a computer, or even a smartphone: the sedentary lifestyle.
Ugh, sedentary, Rachel. That's a fancy word for sitting on my butt all day, right? I feel like I'm glued to my chair. By the time I clock out at 6 p.m., my neck is stiff, my back is aching, and my eyes are blurry. I feel like a zombie.
Glued to your chair, that's a perfect idiom for being unable to leave or staying in one place for too long. And clocking out means finishing your workday. Joey, you are suffering from poor ergonomics.
Ergonomics. I've heard that word on office chair commercials. It means the study of people's efficiency in their working environment, right? How do I fix my setup without spending a fortune?
It's all about alignment. Your monitor should be at eye level. If you're looking down at a laptop screen, you're putting a massive strain on your cervical spine.
Eye level, so I shouldn't be hunching over like a gremlin. I usually have my laptop on my lap, hence the name laptop.
Hunching over. That's a great verb for bending your body forward and down. You should use a laptop stand or even a stack of books to elevate your screen.
Elevate, that means to lift up. Okay, I'll prop it up tomorrow. What about my wrists? I get a tingling sensation after coding for 3 hours straight.
That could be the start of carpal tunnel syndrome. Your wrists should be neutral, not bent up or bent down. You want a straight line from your elbow to your fingertips.
Neutral, that means in a middle position, not leaning to one side. I guess I need to stop resting my wrists on the edge of the desk.
Precisely. That pinch can cut off circulation. Now, let's talk about your eyes. Have you heard of the 20-20-20 rule?
20-20-20? Is that a vision test or a new workout?
It's for digital eye strain. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It helps your eye muscles to relax.
20 feet away. That's about 6 meters. I usually just stare at the screen until my eyes water. I'll try to focus on a tree outside my window instead.
Good. And speaking of moving, you need to take micro breaks.
Micro breaks. Does that mean I can go to the kitchen for a snack every 10 minutes?
Not exactly. A micro break is just 60 seconds of stretching. Stand up, reach for the ceiling, and roll your shoulders. It boosts your blood flow.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate office trend, the standing desk. Everyone says sitting is the new smoking. Should I throw away my chair and stand all day like a soldier?
Don't throw away the chair just yet, Joey. That's another extreme. The key is variety. If you stand all day, you'll get sore feet and varicose veins.
Varicose veins. Those are the swollen purple veins people get in their legs, right? So too much standing is bad and too much sitting is bad. I can't win, Rachel.
You can win. The magic formula is to switch positions every 30 to 60 minutes. We call this active sitting.
Active sitting. That sounds like an oxymoron. An oxymoron is a phrase where two words have opposite meanings. How can sitting be active?
It means engaging your core muscles and shifting your weight instead of slumping like a sack of potatoes.
Slumping like a sack of potatoes. That is exactly what I do. I lean back until I'm almost horizontal.
That's terrible for your lumbar support. You need a chair that curves with your lower back. If you don't have one, roll up a towel and place it behind your waist.
Lumbar. That's the medical term for the lower part of the back. A rolled up towel. That's a cheap hack I can do right now.
It works wonders. And finally, Joey, let's talk about hydration.
I drink coffee, Rachel. Lots of it. That counts as liquid, doesn't it?
Coffee is a diuretic. It actually dehydrates you. You need to sip water throughout the day to keep your brain sharp.
Diuretic. That means it makes you go to the bathroom more often and lose water. I guess I should balance my espresso with a glass of H2O.
H2O. Yes, plain old water. It lubricates your joints and prevents headaches.
Well, Rachel, I feel like I've healed just by listening to you. I'm going to adjust my monitor and go for a walk.
I'm glad to hear it. Your health is your greatest asset, so take care of it while you're young.
Asset. That's something valuable that you own. I'm going to invest in my posture starting now. Let's review our healthy vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. 1. Sedentary.
Meaning of a person tending to spend much time seated, somewhat inactive. Example, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain and heart problems.
2. Glued to.
Meaning to be unable to stop looking at or being near something. Example, during the World Cup, everyone was glued to the TV screen.
3. Alignment.
Meaning the arrangement of items in a straight line or in correct relative positions. Example, correct alignment of the spine is essential for avoiding back pain.
4. Hunch over.
Meaning to bend your body forward and down so that your back is rounded. Example, stop hunching over your phone. It's bad for your neck.
5. Elevate.
Meaning to lift or raise something to a higher position. Example, you should elevate your injured leg to reduce the swelling.
6. Neutral.
Meaning belonging to neither side, in the middle. In ergonomics, a natural, unstrained position. Example, keep your wrists in a neutral position while typing to avoid injury.
7. Stare.
Meaning to look fixedly or vacantly at someone or something with your eyes wide open. Example, it's rude to stare at people in public.
8. Micro break.
Meaning a very short break, usually 30 seconds to 2 minutes, taken frequently during the workday. Example, taking a micro break every hour helps me stay focused and productive.
9. Oxymoron.
Meaning a figure of speech in which apparently contradictory terms appear in conjunction. Example, deafening silence and organized chaos are common oxymorons.
10. Lumbar.
Meaning relating to the lower part of the back. Example, this office chair has excellent lumbar support for long working hours.
11. Diuretic.
Meaning a substance that promotes the production of urine, causing you to lose water. Example, caffeine acts as a diuretic, so make sure to drink extra water if you have coffee.
12. Asset.
Meaning a useful or valuable thing, person, or quality. Example, her ability to speak 3 languages is a major asset to the company.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.